September 28. UPI As Mexico City continues to dig out from a series of deadly earthquakes. Residents have been warned of increased activity at Popocatépetl, a volcano about 50 miles outside the capital. Officials said Thursday the region remains in a yellow alert, that the volcano has exhibited signs of activity, including a stream of smoke and ash that can be seen wafting from the crater into the air. Mexico's disaster agency said smoke, ash and superheated fragments of rock have been shot out of the crater about 1,000 yards down the side of the mountain, but noted such activity is expected when a volcano is under a yellow alert. Residents have been instructed to remain actively informed through government and media reports about Popocatépetl activity, but are not in any immediate danger. Evacuations are only ordered if the threat level is increased to red, which would signify an imminent or ongoing eruption. The snow-capped peak of Popocatépetl, which translates to Smoking Mountain, is visible from Mexico City on a clear day. Residents refer to it by the nickname Popo. Officials said there is no indication that the series of strong earthquakes to strike the region over the last 3 weeks has anything to do with the volcano's increased activity.